This is a demonstration of Task Factory. In this video, I will demonstrate the case transform. The case transform is going to allow developers to perform certain types of case formatting on data without the need for scripting. So if I add the case transform to my data flow, I can double-click it to open the configuration editor. So I have a list of all the input columns, and I can choose an action for each one. For the reviewer name column, I will choose the action to convert string to proper case. When I select the action, I have a set of parameters. I can choose a style, convert Irish surnames, use typographic apostrophes, and a few other options as well. I click OK, and then OK again. I'm going to add a data viewer before and after the case transform. When I execute the task, I should see a data viewer showing me the reviewer name. Here, everything is in lowercase. The very next data viewer should have performed my case formatting. And sure enough, the names have been capitalized. So as you can see, the case transform is a very quick and easy to use transformation that eliminates the need for scripting. This is one of the many features of Task Factory.